We go drink wine together. Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing? So it's 15th of December and you guys, this is the start of my Christmas vlog because I don't know, I want to combine everything to what we are going to be doing on Christmas Day. So I don't want to do separate vlogs. I just want to put all in one. So I'm going to get ornaments, Christmas ornaments. So I just decided to start up this video. So let's start going. I did not beat you, Jasmine. Why are you lying? Jasmine, wait. We have to tie it.
Hey, Mama, Mama. Stop! Hey guys, welcome back again to the vlog. Today is Wednesday. Let me check today's date. Today is 18th of December. I'm already wearing my Merry Christmas one I wore last year. I'm going to wear this all through this week although I'm going to be washing it. Yes, I have another one that I wore last 2 years, so I'll be changing it. Every day is Christmas. You're going to be seeing it in this vlog. Like, you're going to be sick of this clothes. So you guys, I went for my appointment today. I'm not going to include it in this video. It's going to be in another separate video. So you guys, Hubby's holiday will be starting tomorrow, which means today is his last day of work. And they gave him huge gift box like the one they gave him last year. So I'm going to unbox it. While for Jasmine, you guys, Jasmine's end of the year party is going to be coming up on Friday on the 20th of December, but unfortunately I have an appointment. My baby cannot attend. It's so sad. So they gave her this gift. Eh? Jasmine is her now, baby. Hubby thought I was talking about him. He said it's him, not her. So they gave Jasmine this gift, this one, since she's not going to be attending. And we also contributed €5 for gift for the teachers. That's why I'm not going to be unboxing or packing any gift for the teachers, because we already done that. Just ignore the back. Today was our market day, so I went to the market. I got lots of stuff for the Christmas decoration. Oh, so this morning, so I've not unpacked them, so they are there. So just ignore, just pretend you not see it. This is the gift box. Let's unbox. I have to cut it. You guys, these are the stuff inside the box. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Wow, there are a lot of goodies in here. This is formaggio. I don't know if they also call it cheese or something. Let me reduce this thing, the lights. I think they also call it cheese. This is biscuit, homemade biscuit. I think it has cereal inside. This is nuts. This is my absolute favorite, but I don't buy it except they give me as gift. I don't buy it. This is pasta. I don't know. This is mixture of chocolate and I don't know what the other one is. Chocolate and something. Ah, wine. Make me the pop champagne. Ah, there's another bottle of wine though. It's 2 bottles. It's 2 bottles of wine. There's another one. Ah, this December. Any pikin will follow me enter December, go dance obele. We go drink wine together. Okay, this is I've forgotten the name of this thing. I know the name, but I don't know it in English right now. I don't even know what this is, but we are going to figure out. Okay, it's also formaggio. Formaggio is cheese, right? Spaghetti. All these things are expensive. Oh. Very, very expensive. This pasta is very expensive. This spaghetti. I don't know what this is. Oh. Ah, chocolato. This is chocolate. Powder one. Can you guys see it? And this, there is no gift without this cake. Can you guys see this cake? No gifts. No Italian gifts without this cake. You guys, that's all. What they gave them this year is different from what they gave them last year, and I love that. Not that they are repeating same thing every year. So that's all for this box. I think last year box was bigger. I'm even using that last year box to store some things. Even this one now, I'll start using to store something in this house. Because our house is small, so we are managing space. So anything like this that have cover or whatever, I'm using it for something very important. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will see you guys pretty much later in this vlog. Jasmine.